How to build your portfolio as a freelance developer. First tip, choose your best projects. Pick your top projects, choose 3 to 5 that showcase your best work and the skills clients care about. Next tip, show your code. Add links to your GitHub or share code snippets to prove your skills. Next, add case studies. Write a few lines about the problem you solved and the tools you used. Tip 4, make it visual. Make it look good. Use visuals, project screenshots, and even videos to showcase your work. Last step, keep it simple. No need for a super fancy site, just make it easy to navigate and clear to read. Now that you've got the blueprint, start building your portfolio today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more freelance tips. You can also follow us across all our social media platforms to connect better with us.